Okay, part two. First, starting off with a rather interesting price gap here. This is the S&P 100 index. Here's the cute little top we're working on now. Here's the price gap. 213.07. The high on Friday, 213.08. Pretty damn good. So we have sealed that sucker. How about we drop on Tuesday? How does that sound? Here are the cubes. Zoom in here. And this price cap also closed, not to the 1 penny level, but pretty close. 380.83 was the price gap. The high, holy Moses, wait a second. No, I got that wrong. I'm cheating a little bit here. The actual price gap is 3. Let's make this a little more honest. Right down there, boop. All right, the actual price gap is 380.69, and the peak here was 83. So terribly, terribly close. Exceptionally close. 14 cents, I think, if my amazing mathematical mind is working. So there's that. So again, really would help to drop on Tuesday. SMH. Bit of a tough read here, but this horizontal here seems to be holding sway. Anchoring this to the prior peak, in other words, the prior lifetime high established at the beginning of 2022, that seems to be acting as a bit of a barrier. Because in spite of the NVIDIA madness, we got a little above, repelled. Little above, repelled harder. Back up. There we are again. Matching the level. So think of this a different way. Even though NVIDIA has gone apeshit, all we're doing is matching the levels seen in January of, last year. So that's like, almost 2 years ago. So BFD, right? Here's the spider. Also a cool price gap. Not as strong as the others. This price gap, 455.49. Didn't quite fill it yet. I don't care if we fail to. That'd be fine by me. But the draw here, the first real powerful draw would be this trend line. We got below this fib for a few days, but we're well above it again. So let's bring this sucker back down to challenge that green trend line, which is anchored to the low of October 13. A day I'll remember to my deathbed. Here's TBT, looking very bullish, which means interest rates look very bullish, which means people are screwed. Nice base here, explosive move higher, retraced, approached but did not break support. And Friday, following the supposedly exciting jobs report for the stock market bulls, bonds barfed, and therefore interest rates are rising. You can see this more directly by way of TLT. Here we see this gorgeous right triangle pattern, and we went uppity, 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 up, peaking on Thursday, and then all of Thursday's gains gone, all of Wednesday's gains gone, all of Tuesday's gains gone. So basically undid the week, and so I'd like to see that continue. USO, I've made mention how strong energy is. That will help the bears, I think, as it chokes the economy. These soaring prices are dear friends, the bone saw fans over in Saudi Arabia. XHB, this was a disappointment. This had been, I'll just temporarily draw this had been a cute little top like so, and it fell hard and pushed back, and as of here it looked fine and dandy for a resumption. Didn't happen. Up and up and up. So yeah, I got out of that about midweek. That just was a bomb. Didn't work out. XLE, just energy again. Friday leaping above that resisting trend line. And finally, let's all stand and salute and sing its praises. Here's XLU. I did a video for my beloved gold and platinum folks about this, and it looks terrific. It looks better than ever. That's all I can say. Better than ever. So lead on, utilities.